Assembly, come back to initial position. It's time for pledge. Take position. India is my country.
India is my country.
And all Indians are.
And all Indians are.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud
Proud
of
of
its rich
its rich
and varied heritage.
and very heritage.
I shall
I shall
always strive
always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall give
I shall give
respect to my parents,
respect to my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders,
and all elders.
and treat everyone
Treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and all my people,
and all my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion.
my devotion.
India will be
India will be
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind. Assembly, come back to initial position. Good evening everyone. How are the days? Life and time are the world class teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time and time teaches us the value of life. Thank you. Course Cadet Sakshi as a course associate.
Good evening everyone. Today's new headlines are as follows. Firstly, some international news. UK police charge men with murder after bodies found in suitcases. 8 civilians wounded in 2 coordinated suicide attacks near a military facility in northwest Pakistan. Some sports news. Messi tries profusely cast food in anger after being forced off injured. Euro 2024 record 4th title neutrals new down for Spain. After at last some national news, Nita Ambani's temple for Shubh Ashirwad features children, grandchildren's names. Missing for 46 hours, Kerala sanitation workers found dead in canal.
Good evening everyone. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on topic education. Education plays very important role. Education is important our life, bright future. It provides knowledge of our right decision without education. We cannot be successful. Everyone has the right of take education and embrace the mental ability of a person. There is no age limit to take education. It develops the over of person. Education is the key success. Without this too, we can get something good in our life. Kartik Cadet Arul Goswami course SSG 9.
Assembly, standardities, attention. It's time for national anthem. Start the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Assembly, it's time for slogan. Take position. Bharat Mata ki.
जय
Bharat Mata ki.
जय
Bharat Mata ki.
जय
Assembly, come back to initial position. Teaching staff break off, office staff break off, management